Hello Chris, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm presenting a personal video for you for the 2018 Ducati Multistrada 950SW. 10,764 kilometers and the price is 12,188 plus HST and licensing. Fully safety certified, the bike is ready to go to hit the street, and the most important is available at this time. We took as a trade, a customer bought a bigger bike, the 1200 Ducati Multistrada, and he go for a long trip. So it's been kept in the good conditions, all the stock of the bike. And if you want me to secure this motorcycle, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you. Thank you.